What's up, y'all, and welcome to anniversary vlog day 4. Simple beauty. All right, y'all. So today is Monday, September 28th, and today we kind of planned it to be like a chill day. Me going through my emails real quick just to check through with my team, make sure everything's going smoothly with my officers while I'm away. Probably planning to go out to the store to get a few things a little bit later, but basically a chill day. And we picked the right day to be a chill day because it's rainy today, so I'm glad we didn't choose to do anything like outside today. And I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, maybe. I think the possibility of rain or a chance of rain, but then Wednesday and Thursday is supposed to be like super sunny. Hubby is headed to get some coffee because he wanted some coffee, and yeah, then we're going to head back to the room, so I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Of our day and what we think. Now, of course, when you're seeing this, you're probably like, it's daytime, it's not nighttime, it's the next. Yes, it is the next day while we're filming this, but this clip is gonna go, as you're seeing it now, is at the end of the full day, and you'll see a new clip tonight of today, if we get to it tonight, because yesterday we were so tired from the day, and if we have anything to say from today. But anyway, from the film day, okay? But anyway, we're gonna talk about yesterday, which in this vlog will be today, quote unquote, of our experience. Yesterday was a Sunday, and we decided we wanted to visit a church. This church, we first come in contact with this church via YouTube, and it was just one of those where, you know, oh, this looks interesting, and you click on the video and you kind of watch, and from there we, you know, kind of connected with the pastor and his message. And once we started planning for the trip, my husband noticed that where we were going to be staying is not that far from their church, and so we decided to go and visit them. And we decided to go and visit them. So the first thing we did was get up and get dressed and stuff to get ready for service.
Yeah, it was a good experience. The church is about 25 minutes or so from where we were staying. Like I said, we've seen the church on YouTube a number of times, and their service is pretty much how they have it I think, some social distancing, of course.
Yep, everybody was wearing masks.
Everyone was wearing masks. They check your temperature when you get in.
Mm-hmm.
And I think really, I can't say it was at limited capacity. It was maybe I'd say probably a good 100 or so more people there, just in the service. But it was good. I mean, the bishop, his name is Bishop Hepburn. I think the church is called Jump Global Ministries. But again, it's a good experience to go, visit while we were on vacation.
Yeah.
And he preached a really good message about choosing, or how do you define greatness?
Yes, it was so good.
It was really good. It was really not just an encouraging, inspiring message, but I think it really just, it just helped, at least from my perspective, help me kind of see, what is it that I know I want God to do in my life, and am I allowing Him to do everything that, He wants to do in my life His way, So just that whole kind of perspective, it kind of just helps you realize. And if you are doing things the way God wants, that's good.
Well, he was talking about how God is an eternal God, and when we follow the plans of God, we're essentially following eternity. When we do our own plans to just say we're just going to do it how we're going to do it, it comes to an end because we're not eternal beings. We're here on this earth for a limited time, and then we're going to pass away. Everything on this earth is going to pass away. But God is eternal, and the plans that He has for us is for a lifetime. A lot of times we look at the temporal things. We make decisions off of what we can see right now, not faith, but what we can see. And when you do that, you can make decisions that are very temporal. Even if you make a highly educated or whatever success and you become successful, you become successful at it, because some people only see life as just this earth. Like, I just want to set myself up for the rest of my life. But it's more to life after you pass. When our flesh houses pass away and our spirit is released, there is an eternity after we're done living here. And so you don't just want to set yourself up for living on the earth. You also want to set yourself up for after you pass and where your soul will be eternal-wise. So I just liked how he used demonstrations or examples that he used made so much sense and brought clarity to what he was saying. It was really, really good. Oh, and as you guys can tell by the thumbnail, yes, we did see the NBA player. What's his name?
Oh yeah, Jonathan Isaac.
And his fiance?
I think it's his wife.
His wife? We did see he was there in person, in the flesh. I don't know, I might try to find clips of the service when they upload it to YouTube from their church. I try to find clips from that service and kind of compare from some of my clips, because we weren't close. So even my Zoom, or I'll say this, my Zoom didn't clear up while he was up there, and it irritated me. So I'm gonna still show my clip, but then I'm gonna show their clip so you guys can see that it's the same service that we were in. But it was pretty cool seeing, that was my first time seeing an NBA player and up that close. And bro, man, tall. I'm like, sheesh, because when he walked in, I didn't recognize him, but my husband did. All I noticed was that man tall as mug. But the service, it was really, really cool. And another lady there who testified about her business taking off and making jewelry for NBA players. It was very, very, very inspiring. So we enjoyed ourselves, and then they fed us afterwards. They fed everybody. Their food was so good. The menu, well, I can say what we had, because I don't know if I remember the entire menu.
Yellow rice and like a pork chop, some kind of seasoned pork chop was good. And
he was quiet the whole time.
Some kind of chicken and I think some vegetables, like a vegetable mixture.
Yeah.
And a brownie. It was good. Nice size portion.
And I had yellow rice with beans, the baked chicken, meatloaf, and the roll, and coleslaw. And you can tell it was freshly made. Oh, and the drink we had was Bahama Mambo. It was really good. So the food was good, and that ended up being like our lunch. Glad we chose today to be our off day. Woo!
These are great. They have great flavor, great texture.
Keep them guessing. What? Keep them guessing. What's up, y'all, and welcome to day 5 of our anniversary vacation trip. So, as you can see clearly, it's not raining right now. I think in the forecast, it is it supposed to rain today again? Maybe a little bit later. But then tomorrow and Thursday and Friday are supposed to be sunny days. So, it actually works perfectly with our planning of having some 2 like low-key days where we can relax and just enjoy one another's company, because the first 2 days we were here and we were doing things throughout the day, like we would leave early, wouldn't get back till late, which you guys saw, but it was like everything just felt kind of fast-paced. We was just going. So taking a couple of days to kind of just slow down and enjoy one another's company, not worrying about getting lost and where we are and stuff, has been very relaxing. So right now we're on our way to get some breakfast, and of course you guys are coming along with us, so let's go. All right, y'all, we made it. I don't know if you can hear me over the You want to take a picture up there? After that lovely breakfast, we're coming to go on a walk through this park. It's a lakefront park. There's water over that way. But it's not super warm yet. We are planning on going swimming maybe later. We was gonna go last night, but changed our minds. So Wait a minute. Sir, I don't think we walking down this way. Look at them dragonflies. Oh. All right, but nothing better bite me. I'm gonna push you in first. Mm-hmm. Please have a wow. There it is, y'all. There's the alligator. Look at him. What's the name of that alligator in Princess and the Frog?
I don't know.
Y'all, that was fun, man. As you can see, I'm perspirating. We basically walked off our breakfast, but the site, it's so pretty here. Let me see if I can get the name. The name. You can read it right there. Lakefront Park. So pretty. And a lot of these places that we're going to was about, I need to make sure I'm zoomed all the way out. A lot of the places that we're going to are about maybe 30 minutes away from our suite, besides the beach. The beach is an hour away, which is completely fine. Where we live at home, we're used to traveling about 45 minutes to an hour out to go to things, so that's fine. So Daytona Beach is about an hour away from where we are now. Oh, look, see, they got boat. They boating over there. You see that? But right now we don't work up I don't want to say an appetite, but longing for pool water, because that's how hot it is. So we're about to go head back to the room so we can change into our swimsuits and head to the pool. Let's go. Time to get dressed, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm ready. We're about to head to the pool, and I'm so excited that because we were planning on going last night, but that didn't end up happening. Yeah, I feel so good out here. Nobody in the pool, luckily, so it's just us. Enjoying our time. Alright, what's up? We just been chilling, went back to the room because it had started raining. Well, we were finished swimming and then maybe a few hours later it had started raining. Like y'all saw what it looked like earlier in the day when I was vlogging. Now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right now. See how it's like cloudy and dark? Yeah, because they said it was supposed to rain today, but tomorrow and Thursday and Friday is supposed to be decent weather. So right now we're headed to go get our dinner and have us a movie night.
Despite the roaring arms rushing, scouts and forming before Icanos infiltrated the city, he assembled at the new palace. He offers a duel.